We just checked out and we just came by the Disney Lanawai Spa and like just look at the outside. And oh, there's the fitness center over here, but like just the smell over here, like it just.
Well, it was funny because we knew that the smell
like
was
lavender.
When we came off the elevator, we knew like it smells like it.
Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Like it literally smells like just relaxation.
This is not we gotta go in here. This is gonna be the store that you were thinking. Oh no, it's a salon.
Yeah, it's a little girl salon, I think. Like they, it's kind of like the Princess, the Bibby Babby Boutique, but for Hawaiian, for Hawaiian makeovers. So we walked out by the spa and we're heading towards the pool, I think. We got our reusable cup that we always get. So we're gonna go and fill that up. And today's the last day. We leave here at 3 to head to the airport. So we're just soaking in the last bit of it that we can. This is the Olu Cafe. Let's go get our pop here. We are down by the water, by the lagoon. Is that what they call it? The lagoon?
Yeah, it's a little lagoon. And
we're about to get some Dole from this little, how do you say that? Ofihis? Ofihis? But then if you look back this way, look at those clouds. Ugh. But I'm super sad to be leaving. Aulani. We're not leaving Hawaii, but just Aulani. I like it. You like it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Look at Sam's pony. Turn around. A little cliff ball. Just super beautiful here. I think it's like probably like 75, 80 out right now, which is pretty nice, but that's gonna be, it's getting windy. I can tell that it's gonna storm. It's gonna storm. No, wait. And now to Ollie Williams with the weather forecast.
It's gonna rain.
Walked down from getting my Olu Dole, which fell apart already. And there's a wedding going on over here. Oh, makes me think of my wedding day at Walt Disney World. We still have to do a video about that, which we'll get to. I'm going to get a spoon for this bad boy because the cone just completely collapsed on the bottom. Walked over past Aulani. There's the beach and the lagoon. And I believe this is the Four Seasons. They have the restaurant here. What is this?
Mama's Fish House.
Mina's Fish House. Mana's. Mona's.
No, I said Mama's. I just seen M-A. You know, I seen an M and an A.
It's Mama's Fish House.
In my head, I thought it was weird. I was like, Mama's. It's not Hawaiian at all.
And you can tell the difference. Like that's Aulani over here, and this is the other resort.
Decorations, or can you rent these out? These big boats.
The boats? I think they're just for decorations. Yeah. It's like Moana's. I don't know, it says Ocean Adventures. I don't know, maybe like on other days they take them out.
I feel like you can, just not from here. Like, look at those waves. Look at that.
They have really big waves out there right now. Let me see if I can get in there. Say, how big?
24 to 34 feet waves on the wayward side.
That's
in the north.
That's crazy. That's really big waves.
Well, our cruise ship, we had 140-foot waves, so
yeah, on Thanksgiving in what, 2014? 2014, 2015, somewhere around there. But yeah, beautiful. That's nice. Yeah. We're just walking around, we're just checking everything out. We left Four Seasons in Aulani and we're walking across the street right now to a shopping center. What is it? Ko'olina? Like shops. See what they have here. And there's a little golf course over there. That's nice. So how it works here is like all of these resorts are in Ko'olina. Ko'olina?
Yeah.
Right, yeah. And so that's like this city that they're in. So it's not like just like Aulani is like located here. Like it's located on Ko'olina. Like, I don't know, it's weird. It's like a city, right? That's how you would describe it.
Maybe a town. I don't know.
A town, a city.
Could be a city, I don't know.
A whole bunch of different shops in here. They have an ABC store.
Yes, a bee.
And if you haven't ever been to an ABC store, it's literally like a CVS, right? That's how you would describe it? CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid.
It's like nothing that we have in this state.
It's, I mean,
They
but
had,
like if you're trying to compare it to,
Well, no, still because
I guess it would be like maybe like just a smaller like grocery store.
it's like a tiny grocery.
Yeah.
Because there's clothes, there's food,
Yeah.
cooked food, non-cooked food. They sell steaks there, like raw steaks.
Where's the bathroom?
It's unique.
Ooh. They do have a lot of unique stuff in there. Right, so we are sitting in here at this Just Tacos eating, and this train is coming through. Hang on, wait. Oh no, it's stopped down there.
It looks like it's moving closer. Yeah, it's definitely moving back towards us.
Well, this lady is walking back this way too.
I'm about to rear end these guys.
Here they come. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, they have to get off.
And walk it across the street to make sure nobody crosses.
You see this? This is crazy. Here they come. It's a two-way. Look at, there's a front and a front on each side. No, they have back up on there too.
Once it crosses the street, they just have to walk across.
Yeah, oh my gosh. That was crazy.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's a locomotive. The front is the back and the back is the front. Because sometimes they hook up in different directions.
So we just walked all the way around the lagoon of Aulani, and we are now walking on like a little point out towards where the ocean is, so you can see there's like some people fishing out over here.
That's what I figured they were doing.
Yeah. Amazing. Wow. We got some big waves out here today. Down here. It's so beautiful. I've never. Michigan ain't got nothing on this. Sorry I'm missing it, but that's right
Wow.
here.
Missed the monster wave.
You see this? It's amazing. We're gonna go whale watching tomorrow morning, see some whales. Take you along on that. That'll be fun. We're gonna use the GoPro for that because I'm not ruining this camera. It's just beautiful. Look at this one coming right here.
Look at far out there. Get ready to go.
Just getting one last look at Aulani because our driver is coming. Now this is where the boutique was, and then the other shop was right here. It's so sad.
At least we're not leaving here to go home.
Right, we're going to
out.
another place, but you know, it's sad. Do we need anything else? Got all the cookie stuff in the front. And the Menacone man, right? Menacone?
I don't know, that's what I asked earlier. I can't remember what they call it.
Yeah, I think it was Menacone. That's what I said before. And here's the, when you walk in, beautiful. We're just going to get our bags because we have them at Bell Services. Yeah, so if you come in early before you can check in, they'll hold your bags at Bell Services, and then when you check out, you can still use the facilities and they'll hold them there.
When you check in too, it's nice because they'll hold your bags and give you wristbands and stuff so you can go have fun, enjoy your day.
Oh yeah, there's like a lounge that they let you access that has showers, places to change, everything. So let's go get our stuff. Where are we going? Maui.
What were they calling it? They were calling it something else, but
Maui, OGG. Look at how tiny these like trays are. So cute. But we literally, we're supposed to be like taking off right now, but we aren't. But you know how that goes.